Hi guys, I hope you're all doing well. Today I'm going to be solving some problems for you guys. So I'm going to solve the highlighted problems and then I want you guys to try to do the rest on your own. So we're going to start with number 1. So the problem is 915.464 plus 480.240. So you want to add this like a normal addition problem. So what you're going to do is just do 4 plus 0 is 4, 6 plus 4 is 10, carry the 1. 4 plus 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7. Then you bring down the decimal place exactly where it's at. And then you're going to do 5 plus 0 is 5, 8 plus 1 is 9, and 9 plus 4 is 13. So your answer is 1,395.704. So now I'm going to do number 2. 612.635 plus 328.105. Again, when you write your problem, you line up the decimal points and you bring it straight down. So 5 plus 5 is 10, carry the 1. 3 plus 0 is 3, plus 1 is 4. 6 plus 1 is 7, bring the decimal place straight down. 8 plus 2 is 10. 2 plus 1 is 3, plus 1 is 4. 6 plus 3 is 9. So this is your answer. Next, I'm going to do number 3. The problem is 403.926 plus 708.460. 6 plus 0 is 6. 2 plus 6 is 8. 9 plus 4 is 13, so you carry the 1. 8 plus 3 is 11, plus 1 is 12. 0 plus 0 is 0, plus 1 is 1, and 7 plus 4 is 11. So you bring the decimal place straight down, and this is your answer. So I want you guys to do the rest of the problems, and I'm going to do number 7 for decimal subtraction. So the problem is 579.946 minus 550.546. So I'm going to do 8 minus 6 is 2, 4 minus 4 is 0, 9 minus 5 is 4. Bring the decimal place straight down. 9 minus 0 is 9, 7 minus 5 is 2, and 5 minus 5 is 0. So you just leave it like that. Okay. I'm going to be solving reducing fractions to the lowest term. So how I'm going to do this is write out number 2, 108 over 36. So you want to ask yourself, what can both of these numbers be divided by? So when I look at it, I can divide both of these by 6. And whatever you do to the top, you do to the bottom. And whatever you do to the bottom, you also do to the top. So divide both numerator and denominator by 6. 36 divided by 6 is 6. Then I'm going to do 6 and 108. 108 divided by 6. Okay, so when I do that, 6 goes into 10 one time. So you subtract 6 and you get 4. Bring down the 8, 48. 6 goes into 48 8 times. So I'm going to write 8. So you get 8 on top. Now you want to ask yourself, can this be simplified even further? And yes, it can. They can both be divisible. by 6. So then you get 3. Okay, next I'm going to be doing number 3. 32 over 16. So what can both of these be divided by? I say 8. So when you do that, you get 32 divided by 8 is 4, and 16 divided by 8 is 2. You can divide this further by dividing both top and bottom by 2, and you get 2. I'm going to do number 5 next. So 64 over 88. Both of these can be divided by 8. So you get 8 over 11. And then you ask yourself again, can this be simplified even further? But 8 and 11 do not have factors that are the same because 11's factors are only 1 and 11. So that is your final answer. Next, I'm going to be doing converting between percents and fractions. So the directions say convert each fraction into a percentage. So I'm going to do number 1, 77 over 50. So in order to make this a percent, you want to have the denominator equal 100. So you're going to do 50 times what equals 100? 50 times 2. So you're going to do 2, and whatever you do to the bottom, you also do to the top. So you do 77 times 2 is 14, carry the 1. 7 times 2 is 14, plus 1 is 15, 154. But you only have to worry about the last 2 digits, so it's going to be 54%. Next, I'm going to do 19 over 20. So again, you want to make this 100. So you're going to do 20 times 5 is 100. Whatever you do to the bottom, you do to the top. So 19 times 5 is 45. Carry the 4. 5 times 1 is 5, plus 4 is 95. So this is 95%. Lastly, I'm going to do number 3, which is 1/2. So 1/2 times what equals 100 times 50. So do 50 on both top and bottom. So 1 times 50 is 50. So number 3 is 50%. Okay, so I want you guys to do the rest, and I'm going to show you the answer key so you can compare your answers after you're done. So you can pause the video and compare your answers when you're done.